A hydraulic press is a device using a hydraulic cylinder to generate a compressive force. It uses the hydraulic equivalent of the mechanical lever, and was also known as a Brahma press after the inventor, Joseph Brahma, of England. He invented and was issued a patent on this press in 1795. As Brahma installed toilets, he studied the existing literature on the motion of fluids and put this knowledge into the development of the press principle. The hydraulic press depends on Pascal's principle. The pressure throughout a closed system is constant. One part of the system is a piston acting as a pump, with a modest mechanical force acting on a small cross-sectional area. The other part is a piston with a larger area which generates a correspondingly large mechanical force. Only small diameter tubing is needed if the pump is separated from the press cylinder. Pascal's law. Pressure on a confined fluid is transmitted undiminished and acts with equal force on equal areas and at 90 degrees to the container wall. A fluid, such as oil, is displaced when either piston is pushed inward. Since the fluid is incompressible, the volume that the small piston displaces is equal to the volume displaced by the large piston. This causes a difference in the length of displacement, which is proportional to the ratio of areas of the heads of the pistons given that volume equals area x length. Therefore, the small piston must be moved a large distance to get the large piston to move significantly. This is how energy, in the form of work in this case, is conserved and the law of conservation of energy is satisfied. Work is force applied over a distance, and since the force is increased on the larger piston, the distance the force is applied over must be decreased. Brahma's basic idea is also exploited in hydroforming. Application. Hydraulic presses are commonly used for forging, clinching, molding, blanking, punching, deep drawing, and metal forming operations. In popular culture, the hydraulic press is the cause of death for the Terminator in the film of The Terminator, as well as André de Lambry in The Fly. The room featured in Fermat's room has a design similar to that of a hydraulic press. Boris Artzybashev also created a drawing of a hydraulic press, in which the press was created out of the shape of a robot.